Hello and welcome to the Ilulissat Science and Art Hub, where the Greenland Caves Project have been resident for the whole of August 2025. We've had an amazing view down the street in Ilulissat of the icebergs, and that is a constantly changing landscape. We've had so much fun and enjoyment looking at it. And now if you come inside, I'll give you a tour of the exhibition. Welcome. If you want to be a cave explorer, come and say hi and take your photo. Over here we have films in English and Greenlandic on exploring caves in Greenland's far north, Greenland, a geological journey through time, and paleoclimate research in Greenland. And you can also fly through one of the caves if you wish to. Over here we have our science exhibit. So we have stalagmites and flowstones. These are mineral deposits from caves around the world, but also in Greenland, and information about how they form. Over here we have information all about pollen and how we can use pollen to reconstruct how the vegetation was at some times in the past. And for instance, we know that 15 million years ago, North Greenland had a forest. And then if you really want to get up close and personal, you can look through the microscope at slides of pollen, and then also have a look at how pollen is when it's printed up at 2,000 times magnification. So that's a pollen of a pine tree. And then over here, they've moved a little bit overnight, we have our tree ring station. So here we have a tree slice from a garden centre, a regular one that you might find at home. Each ring relates to 1 year of growth, and then this is a tree from North Greenland that we found in a moraine. There are over 400 years of growth in here, and it's over 48,000 years old, this tree. Might be 2 million, might be 5 million, all we can say is over 48,000 years. And then for our young and tiny explorers, they can come and do activities here with Chili the Fox, colouring in games, memory games, so that you can learn more about paleoclimate. And if you find Chili the Fox, he's dotted around the exhibition, and he can talk to you in Greenlandic. Okay. Then over here we have a dress-up box. You can dress up as a caver, take your explorer bag, have a look what's in there. I think over there I see a fantastic photography exhibition. Let's go and take a look. These are photographs by Robbie Schoen, our expedition photographer who's joined us on all the expeditions. These are the caves in North Greenland, and you can take a look around the wonderful exhibition. And then finally, if you really want to go exploring, we have a cave. You'll find a torch in your explorer bag. You can head on in and have a look for real stalagmites. Oh, wow! That is very cool. Oh, yes. Hey, oh. You've got some chambers off on the side and a long tunnel down there. And here are our lovely stalactites and stalagmites. Okay. See you. Thanks for your visit. Bye.